Hello everybody, Fabi here from The Next Big Rush, and today I want to recommend CEO.ca. Now this is a website which is also an app on your phone where you can come and talk about Canadian publicly listed companies. Now, in theory, Canadian public listed companies could be anything from tech to mining to telecoms or whatever. The thing is, most really exciting stories revolve around mining and energy, and so this is usually what all the chats are about. Now, CEO.ca has some really interesting people. This is not just a newbie place to hang out and talk about nothing, although sometimes things do get a little bit over dramatic. But here you have some people who are newsletter writers, some people who are CEOs of companies. We have also geologists and people who have been in the mining business for longer than I have probably been alive. So I highly recommend that you come, you check it out. It's a wealth of information. There's always links to interesting things that are going on. And over here, you can track some of the companies that you are looking at. You can also take a look at different chat rooms and see what people are saying, why they think X, Y, and Z companies are good or bad. There's talk about the geology, the financing. There is news that comes out for the companies that you're following. And there's also the index, which is a little bit of everything. Now, you will learn so much just being here and clicking on the links and talking to people and watching as they defend their stocks or trash somebody else's stock. But at the same time, I need to come with a warning. My warning is every single time that you have a lot of people coming together to discuss anything, you will get some people who suck all the energy in the room just because they want the attention. Be careful, okay? Don't waste your time fueling the fire or feeding the trolls, as they say it. The other thing is that every time you have too many people talking about something, some people who are very successful start to get hated on, okay? You can go to any forum, any chat room, anywhere in the world where you can see who the successful people are. They will be flogged eventually and crucified. That's normal, okay? So take everything with a grain of salt. Some people here will just talk about the stocks that they own in a positive light. Do know that everybody everywhere has their own interests at heart. But at the same time, that doesn't mean that you can't learn, okay? So if you don't know this yet, do go to CEO.ca, download the app on your phone, and enjoy the ride. Now, we do have different tags here. There is a newbie tag, okay? Newbies, let's go to the newbies page. Here we are. This is where people post, tips and tricks and also questions regarding learning how to trade or how to invest in it or speculate in this market. Do make good use of everything that you see. Don't just ask for stock picks. If you're gonna comment with quality. Do say something that will benefit other people. And also keep an eye out on the number of people who are online at any point in the day, okay? The reason why I say this is as gold and silver and copper and whatever else become more and more popular, you will see the number of online people rise. When you see that the rise in interest of these commodities is too over the top, then you will be able to judge, hey, maybe this is a top, maybe things are getting too bubbly, maybe it's time I get out. So today we have 298 people online. I have seen up to 400 people, I think 420 something, if I'm not mistaken. But I would be very worried if this number in maybe a year got to, I don't know, 1,200, 1,500, okay? I mean, it all depends on how it works and how it slowly progresses, but the more people you see online, the hotter the interest in mining shares in the Canadian stock market. When you get a lot of people interested, that's when you get out. You buy when nobody wants something, you get out when everybody wants it. So that's my tip. Do also click on the articles here to the side. They're excellent. Take a look at the sponsors that they have. They have some really good sponsors that I'm keeping an eye on and wanting to invest in as well. And if you can, contribute to the chat in a positive manner. All right, that's my tip for today. If you like this, then hit like and also subscribe because there's a lot more stuff coming your way. Take care. Bye-bye.